So we're here in Rotterdam at the World Hydrogen Summit hosted by the Sustainable Energy Council. And I'm chatting to Carlos Manin Blanca, the Global Solution Architect for Green Energy here at Schneider Electric. It's wonderful to meet you, Carlos.
Thank you so much. Me too.
Tell us a little bit about Schneider Electric, who you are and what you do.
Schneider Electric is, of course, a big multinational company that, of course, we are the energy technical provider because we are the partner for just to ensure the technical and technological solution. And of course, we are in the entire value chain of the green hydrogen. We are supported by all the digital software. We are supported by hardware and electrical and control system. So we have the hardware, we have the software, the digital solution, and we can provide all the solution for the entire value chains. So we are in the entire economy of the hydrogen.
And what challenges are you looking to solve for your customers?
I think the main challenge is how to manage the risk of the projects. So in that case, what we try to provide is a common seamless solution that just to integrate the different challenges that we have. We have the power, we have the process, and of course we have to solve different challenges in terms of the timeframes. Not only in the operation, of course we need to ensure that we can manage the risk in the good way of the project, so we can provide solution for that. Okay, so regarding to that solution, we can highlight solutions like the digital twin and the energy management system and the power and the process control system that we can integrate from the early conceptual design to the operation and maintenance, all the solutions that need to be provided for the different players. What I mean is from the feasibility consultancy services, we can go and we can play with different models in the electrical and process, and we can validate the control strategy. So having said that, we can jump into the next step and continue with the digital twin continuity offering, just to ensure that all the engineering firms, all the different players can hand over the information in the right way to ensure the feasibility of the project. At the end, the business case of our customer needs to be the best challenge, the first challenge that we need to solve, just to continue with this economy of the hydrogen.
Now, obviously, we're living in a world of AI, and how businesses and industries choose to integrate that is very, very important moving forward. What role do you see AI playing for you at Schneider Electric?
Flexibility management system is the key word for the AI tools. At the end, what we need to solve is how flexible we can make this operation in the hydrogen economy. We don't want to talk only about the hydrogen as a molecule. We want to talk about the hydrogen as a value chain, how we are going to use the hydrogen to produce any kind of a molecule. Well, having said that, what we are expecting is to use some flexible models, not first principle models, to be used in the digital twin continuity to ensure that every control strategy, every set point that we are going to act is going to be taken in the best way. That's to follow the best electron to be used in the and to produce the best molecule, whatever a molecule that we want to produce. So AI is one of the key factors that we need to follow, and of course in the future, now is the best player, and we know that in the future it will be also.
And looking forward, continuing to look forward, what else is on the horizon for Schneider Electric in the next 12 to 24 months?
Many projects are being delayed for funding constraints, for problems in the economics, but at the end, what we see is that we need to continue pushing in this digital continuity, because at the end we are showing the right solution and we are giving the right control strategy to follow using the digital twin. What it means is that we are covering with different software bricks the right solution for our customer, and we are following what are they really expecting. Not only for the control of the operation, it's how we are going to manage the risk of the project in itself. It's not only how to introduce the control system, the power control system, it's how we can manage the different players and how we are sharing the information between them. I mean, for example, in the digital twin, we can offer tools like unified engineering tools that can help different players. We can create an ecosystem sharing the information. So if you talk about the landscape, what is going to happen in the next 10 years is if we take an early adoption of the technology, of this digital technology, we can ensure that we are going to reduce the risk of these projects. So I think we need to push in this digital twin strategy, and then we can help in our project to our customer to define the best strategy for their projects.
Carlos, thank you very much for sharing that with us today.
Thank you so much.
There we go, Carlos Marin-Blanca, sharing with us about how Schneider Electric really are a company that help you think about the dangers and how to solve them before you even become aware of them. So if you are looking for a partner within the world of hydrogen, someone who is going to really look after you in every step of the journey, then maybe consider Schneider Electric.